Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both the Fit Pro and your Android device. First, charge the earbuds to at least 50% and leave the case open. This wakes the pairing mode. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the screen is unlocked so prompts appear. Press and hold the case button until the white LED flashes. This forces the earbuds into the single, discoverable mode. Doing this prevents intermittent pairing and lets your phone find the device immediately. Next, find the entry labeled Beats Fit Pro in your Android's available devices list and tap it. This initiates pairing. When the pairing request appears, accept it and grant microphone and location permissions if asked. Those permissions let calls and advanced features work reliably. Once connected, open the Bluetooth device settings to choose the best codec available, like AAC or aptX, so audio quality is optimal. If your phone supports it, toggle any audio or finally, verify the connection by playing music and speaking into the mic to confirm left and right audio and call clarity. If you notice dropouts or the earbuds won't appear, reset them by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles, then repair. Also, make sure your Android's Bluetooth cache is cleared and that both phone and earbuds firmware are up to date. Doing this fixes most intermittent issues and restores stable, low-latency audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.